Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a video on how I do my faux French braids. I wear my hair braided a whole lot because it's just like so much better because you don't have to use heat on your hair, you're not damaging it, it gets it out of your face and out of your way, and you don't have to wear it in a bun that's like on top of your head or like a ponytail that makes you have a headache. I did put my ring light on. I might turn my ring light off if I like that lighting better, because I do prefer natural lighting as opposed to the ring light. So I've decided to film this video with the ring light on. I think the lighting's just a lot better and you can see more of what I'm doing. So what you're gonna need is your hairbrush. Any hairbrush works, or comb. You don't have to brush your hair in order to get this hairstyle, but it's a lot easier when your hair's smoothed out and it's not like tangled up. Now whenever I go to the beach or the pool, I just braid my hair without brushing it while it's still kind of wet, and it does dry into these like really pretty waves. My hair is naturally a little bit wavy anyways, so I feel like braiding it like at night before I go to bed or after I get out of the shower while it's still wet gives it a really nice texture and look. So I'm going to need these clear hair elastics. I don't know if you can see. I use the clear elastic. You can always use the black elastics as well as the brown ones, whatever you prefer. The most important part about making this look like a faux French braid is that you have to have a headband. And any headband works as long as it's all the way around and it's not like an open one that you just put over your head, you know? First things first, you're gonna wanna brush your hair. Now, if you have straight, silky, smooth hair, this will take no time. I have wavy, weird, partially curly, partially straight hair, so I really take my time with brushing my hair out. I use a wet brush, and it's my favorite brush of all time. I'm very tender-headed, and I have thick hair, which is a weird combination. But I feel like this brush does such a good job at not pulling the shit out of my hair and my scalp. And it doesn't hurt when I brush my hair like it used to. Now this is my second day hair, so it's a little bit flat and it's a little bit like not voluminous at all. So after you've brushed your hair, you want to take the headband and put it on your head like hippie style. Okay, so I look really ugly right now. I know. It gets better. So then you're just gonna start tucking. Let me just zoom you in. Oh, Lord. So you're just gonna start tucking your hair into the headband, like rolling it in and then pushing it behind. And if you want to take your time and do it really nice and neat, then more power to you. I don't have the patience, I don't have the time. Normally when I'm doing this hairstyle, I do it at work. When I get there and I have like 5 minutes to get my stuff together, and I literally get to work and I do this hairstyle. So this is gonna be like probably a way better version than that. I'm trying to film 3 videos today. We're gonna see how that goes. So here I'm doing the same thing on the other side. And you can put the braids so that your ear is covered if you want, and that way you would just tuck less hair behind the headband. But I like to do it so that my ear is showing because I feel like it gives more of the effect or illusion of a French braid because it's tighter and pulled back. Also, I just really like my hair to be up and out of the way whenever I'm wearing it up. So once you have it rolled to about where you think you want it, I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna pull through any of those hairs that haven't completely come through yet, that are still kind of like half-ass tucked in there. You could even leave your hair like this. This looks pretty cute. I mean, I've never worn my hair like this, but like it's kind of up and out of your face, but it's also down and like girly. You could like curl the ends or straighten it, whatever you want. Sorry, my allergies are so bad, guys. My voice has been so nasally these past few days, and my nose is running. It's a mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid this now. So I do one section at a time, brush it out again, just because I want it really smooth and I don't want any flyaways in my braid. Usually some pieces do poke out because I do have those layers that are still growing out. I try not to freak out about that. I try to just like let it be a little bit more free-flowing and messy, because that's also some people's style. That's just up to you. So you're gonna separate your hair in 3 sections. And then this isn't how I was taught, this is just how I kind of taught myself. I pull this closest section to my neck and I put it in the middle and grab it with my other hand right there. My other few free fingers. And then, hang on guys. See, I have all these loose hairs, so you have to kind of try to keep your sections together. And then I take that piece, I take this outer piece and I cross over that piece I just put in the middle. And that's pretty much the process right there. I might slow this down so you can see it better, especially if you're new to braiding. I think I'm gonna zoom you in on the other side when I'm braiding it so you can see it better. Like I said, I'm still gonna get those pieces that are sticking out and flying about everywhere. It's fine. It's really not that big of a deal. Stretch it out, and then I loop it around this hair at the bottom 3 to 4 times. I think today I'm just gonna do 3. I'm feeling 3. I don't mind when it's a little bit like messy. I'd prefer it to be absolutely perfect, but it never will be, ever, unless I just spend an ungodly amount of time doing it, which is not something I want to do. You're going to loosen your braids to make them look bigger and thicker and more even. The goal is to make them look like they're about the same size. So I'm going to start on this side because this one ended up a lot smaller than this braid. I don't know why. You want to start at the base of the braid and take pieces and just pull apart. Just pull the braid apart. You don't want to do it too hard because then you're going to completely loosen it, which some people like their braids looser. That's up to you. But I just like mine to look really voluminous. This will give it a little bit of a messier look, so if you're not interested in that, you don't have to do this step. I'm just going to go through like once over and loosen a little bit. So now I feel like they look pretty damn similar. Like, good enough for my liking. So this is a really good hairstyle, I feel like, for work or going to the gym, because it's like, or for work or going to the gym, anything physical, I guess school even, but it's just like very comfortable and wearable, and it kind of almost looks like you put an effort into how you look, but you really didn't. And if you're like me and you don't know how to French braid, I think this is a good alternative because it's very similar to a French braid, especially looking from forward, straight forward. So yeah, this is the hairstyle. If you want, you can pull like pieces from your side out if you have like those little wispy pieces that for some reason so many of us cut into our hair. You can totally do that. If you have bangs, you can like pull them down. I don't really have any right now. If you have baby hairs you want to pull out, you can, to kind of give it like that messier, more chill vibe. I'm just going to show you guys how this looks with a hat, facing forward and backwards. So this is facing forward. Super cute. Perfect for summer. Perfect for hiking or even the gym if you're like a hat to the gym type of person. Right, so my camera cut off. It stopped recording because I've been recording way too damn long. I didn't realize it stopped, so I'm not sure where I left off at. I think I was showing you guys how to wear a hat with this hairstyle. So this is backwards, which is like a look. Everyone's different. Some people are not into this look. I think it looks pretty cute. But yeah, like from the side, like that's a sporty little Instagram picture right there. You know what I'm saying? Like this looks kind of dumb like this, but I would obviously just like tuck the headband back so you can't really see the headband and then tighten the hat. But I think it looks really cute. I think this hairstyle is very versatile. I think it's bound to look good on everybody. There's nobody who can't rock this. And even if your hair is a little bit shorter, I think this would be something that would be very cute, very flattering for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to. I'm going to start uploading videos, I think twice a week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!